Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 10 by 10 inch canvas that I've been using as a palette, and I'm going to do it again. These are my acetate tools that I made myself with gaffer tape and bamboo skewers and just semi-stiff plastic. They come in really handy for swiping. That's what I'm going to do now. This is a 10 by 20 inch Artist Loft canvas that I pre-painted with mead and black paint that I'm about to use on this canvas. I'm going to do something I haven't done before. I know I haven't done exactly this because I wanted to for a while. I'm going to put mead and black paint down, which seems a little crazy to me for lots of reasons. And I'm going to get that out of here so I don't spill it. And then I've got Amsterdam white that I made recently. It's only got Floetrol and GAC 800 in it, but I probably should be just trying one or the other, but in this case I guess I'm feeling brazen. Let's put the top back on that black real quick. Just to be on the safe side. And then let's run these together a little bit. Then I've got to find a scraper, and I've got one. Oh, it's in the bucket. Well, I can use my shovel and my scoop. There's the scoop, that's just refuse. The shovel came from the dollar store. I don't know which one to do first. I'll throw that in the bucket of water. That was interesting. This is Atelier or Amsterdam Black cell activator. I haven't tried to use it in combination like this for a while, or maybe ever. It's not looking like it's working, but it will work eventually. I may have to blow into it with a straw or something, which I could do now, or maybe I'll stretch it first. Could have used a blow dryer. I haven't used a blow dryer in an eon. Now I do need a fair amount of white to show, or it's not going to show up on the black canvas, and that's kind of too bad. I might add some more white as I go. Could have done gold. I'm going to try the white first. I've got beautiful paint at the back of my shovel, but I don't know how to get it out. I'm always talking about, well, recently I'm talking about putting paint in the back of the shovel, which in this case could be something else like white. And I'm going to put some in. In this case I'm going to use some white from Decor that's mother of pearl. Because I'm not so sure this is going to work. But at least I've got the mother of pearl working. That came out kind of nice. Might have to do that again. I might tip this. I might actually take another acetate tool and see if I can liven up the cells that I've got. Maybe I'll do the same thing with the white and the black. We'll give it a try. It's a good experiment. It's a fun experiment. It's going to be different. I want to hit it again with more white. Which does not seem to have worked. I'm still liking what I've got there, so I could do anything with it tomorrow. I might just use my squeeze bottles to add some contrasting color. Because this is really different. I could squeeze bottle any color combination I wanted to on top of this actually. I can also use my dribble. Alright, so far so good. I've got plenty of room for improvement, but I'm thinking I want to just put some more. Do I want to put more white down? I want to put more white down and do it with black. At this point, I really don't care if I get gray or not. I could have used golden. It's kind of a thought for the next time. I wonder why it stopped selling. I'm going to take it anyway. It'll work or it won't. Figure out where to start. I got some good cells out of that. I'm surprised and pleased. And I like black and white, so that's fine. I'm going to try and take the plain paint first, so it's helping everything flow out. And I might add gold to this. I might add gold or red or whatever. Maybe I should pay attention to the negative space too. It'll be really interesting to see what it looks like tomorrow. Because the black will disappear, I think. Might leave some raised areas. I don't know what else I need. I've got dots already, it looks like. Just a little dribble. I could do gold. I really could. Grab my silicone tool. Add a few dots. I don't think that's going to hurt anything. add a little white, make what I do have stand out a little better. If I encapsulate the black, then it'll show up somewhat better. It's simple, but I like it. Just going to keep using the paint in my shovel. It's really still tempting to use gold. This is all about teaching myself how to get cells. And it's kind of working. I mean, I'm learning stuff every time I do a new one of these transfers. Signature spiral. Maybe silver would be the way to go. It's kind of cool I'm just using black and white. I don't know what's going to happen with the fact that I use the pearl. I kind of want to grab, before I run out of time, I've got a little bit of time left. I'm going to grab some white. Not unhappy with that. I guess we'll have to find out tomorrow what this is all about, but it is kind of striking, so I'm not actually unhappy. Although I do see that that's not to the edge and I kind of want it to go there. I wonder if I could grab a small acetate tool and somehow liven that up a little bit. It was nice before, but it was kind of subtle. I do have a better tool. Yeah, I'm really actually liking this. It's growing on me tremendously. Anywhere where I've got scuff marks, I think it's a good place to put dots. Confuse the eye a little bit. That's actually really cool. I exceeded my own expectation. I'm trying to see if there's any black spots that I didn't try and outline, because I want the shape that I made. I think I'm done. There's not much point in shimmering it at you because it's black and white. Which reminds me, I might want to take some black and try it out. In the white. Because I've done that before and I like the way it looks. But if it sinks, it'll just disappear. I think I do need to torch. I'm not going to keep trying to mess with that. So we're running out of time. We'll give it a quick torch. I am tempted to continue using the straw. I don't have much time left. Where else? Nowhere else. I'm really pretty good. Alright, I'm sorry there's no shimmer. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire an artwork. Linked, or you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.